As you know, the United Producers and Distributors Forum is a representative body that represents all of us, the entire film industry. And I'd like to thank the entire film industry for being with us today to show and emphasize our solidarity, our support, and our strength. And I'd like to thank all the senior members, all the members who are on this platform for being with us, and the ones who are not are also with us in spirit and in solidarity. So thank you all. Thank you for being with us today.
Today is not a happy day for us. I think today is a very sad day. ये बहुत ही दुख का दिन है. हमें अफसोस है कि जो हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, एक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की जो जिम्मेदारी है कि हम लोगों को एंटरटेन करते हैं, लोगों का मनोरंजन करते हैं, ये जिम्मेदारी हम हमेशा निभाना चाहेंगे और इसमें कभी पीछे नहीं हटेंगे. लेकिन इस वक्त कुछ ऐसी दुविधा है हमारे सामने, कुछ ऐसे इश्यूज़ हैं हमारे सामने, कुछ ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जिनकी वजह से ये स्थिति आई है कि जो नेशनल लेवल के मल्टीप्लेक्स चेन्स हैं उनमें हम हमारी नई फिल्में नहीं लगा पाएंगे. एंड वी आर वेरी सॉरी. वी फील के एज एंटरटेनर्स वी फील ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम अपने ऑडियंस को समझाएं कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, और इसीलिए हम यहाँ आए हैं.
सबसे पहले तो ये बात मैं क्लियर कर दूं कि इस फोरम के ना मैं, ना करण, ना जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं, हमारे सीनियर्स, ना आमिर, ना विनोद, ना रतन साहब, ना बोनी जी, हम में से कोई भी इस फोरम के लीडर नहीं है. हम दोनों को सिर्फ जितने भी आइडियाज़ हैं, जो थॉट्स हैं बताए गए हैं, इन सब कलेक्टिव थॉट्स की वजह से. So first of all, I thank you all the senior members here. The names I have not taken: Rakesh ji, some new wonderful filmmakers like Rakesh and Raju Hirani. They've all given us thoughts on this, and we're just trying to put them in some kind of a perspective for clarity. So I thank them for allowing me and Amir to do this for the industry.
Could we just clarify one thing? I don't think this is coming to a head because of the recession. In fact, I think I would say that in the last since September onwards, some of the biggest movies, whether it's been Rabne or Gajni or many others, have done record business. So the gaming industry, the content industry and the movie industry worldwide is normally, without being cliched, recession proof. So actually we're not governed by recession. This is not a head-on because of that. This is a head-on because finally over a period of a protracted negotiation and a failure of that finalization of that negotiation, we've come to this. So I think we should not relate this as a trigger for the recession.
First of all, this was not a boycott. Our house is in repair. And this indefinite word is something which is definitely not there for the single screens. Single screens exhibitors have been our brothers for the last many decades. So we are definitely there, going to understand the problem and look to ways how we can go ahead with our films in the future. This is a temporary kind of a stalemate which unfortunately has come across with the national chain multiplexes owners, that's all. It's nothing to do with the single screen owners. And this is indefinite only as far as the multiplex chain holders are concerned, not the single screens. We are with the single screens and we sympathize and feel their pain in this moment of distress which we are all going through.
Every decision taken in the last moment, there's Thursday. Producers can't even advertise freely. Then they don't know how many screens they'll get, how many shows they'll get. And anybody who enters a hall, first he pays the money, then he goes inside. But producers don't get their share for months together, for weeks together. If they have spent money, after producer also spent money, if distributors won't get the money, how will he make his commitment to the producer? And then producer has no control how many screens, how many shows, how many theaters, how many screens coming all over the world. But because a picture may not be such a big producer that he can release all over the multiplexes, I think it should be producer's right to decide how many theaters, how many screens he wants to release. Because he knows his film, is it big or small? But nobody knows, nobody has got the right to decide how many screens or theaters is releasing.
To watch more, Log on to www.erosentertainment.com.